are here na in the airport of Maldives, so we will go to the Bangalore. Then after Bangalore, India to Abu Dhabi. Ang nakaano dito guys, yung lounge nila is nandun sa labas bago ka mag-check-in. So only one lounge here, but it's not for the MasterCard, no. We need to pay a cash worth 35. Yeah, but they have lounge before we check in. So different sa kanila. Kaya wala kami magawa kundi dito na lang kami kumain sa Coffee Club. Yes. Oh, smoking air. So nice, huh? So hello guys, so we are here in the Bangalore, India. Yes, from Maldives. And then look at their airport guys. Grabe, ang ganda. Actually, bago daw to dito gawa. Yes. Sabi ni Kitty Pie, is this 2 years pa lang daw to. Diba? Ang ganda. Na-amaze ako. When you go inside those, is too much nice. Grabe, yung isa nag-check in sa ano namin sa lounge. Yes. At doon daw yung banda doon, may cigarette area. Grabe, it's so fresh. At mayroon din silang public na pwede kayo doon matulog. Yes, if you have a long, what's the stop over here, so pwede kayo dito. Kasi mostly guys, from Maldives, talagang mag-stop over dito or Sri Lanka. So from here to Abu Dhabi is only 2 hours. From Maldives to here is only 2 hours also. So look at this. Look at it. Grabe ang ganda. The design. Oh my God. Grabe. Look at guys. In their lounge. The second floor of the lounge is cute. And look at the design. See? How nice it is. See, they have also here like this made of real plants. See, this is the La Malden French Baker. So they are using sim of Aratan. Yes. You see? Grabe, ang ganda. Nakaka-amaze. Na-shock talaga ako kasi sa Bangalore, sa place nila ni Kitty Pie, it's not like this. Pero actually, bago daw kasi. Kaya ayun. It's still coming 8 pa. We're just sitting down there actually, knock-knock. It's okay. So guys, we can go inside the lounge by 9:40 because our flight is 1:40. Come, we will see this. They have also cinema in the up. That is in the lounge, right? Yeah, this is the lounge. There's a look up. So the see guys, look at the design of the coffee. Duty free. Look at their Starbucks. So this is all the perfume guys here. So nice. Ganda. Ang tiglero nila. Wow! Indian Market Palace. Oh my God. Shout out sa elephant. namin kapagod. First time namin nag-travel this na 2 places in a week. Grabe, pagod na pagod ako. First time ko din natulog sa plane in whole flight. Yes. So, that's all for our trip. Waiting tayo sa aming lagi. Yes. Diba? So, see you all in my next vlog.